Good morning, students. In the last class, we have seen what do you mean by state in financial corporations. Now ये क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ अपने स्टेट में जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं उनको वो लोन्स ग्रांट करते हैं. दे गिव मैनी फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम टर्म एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. ओके, today we are going to see National Small Industrial Corporation, that is NSCIC. ओके, नेशनल स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरपोरेशन जो है, इट इज़ एन ISO 9001 सर्टिफाइड कंपनी. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ एन ISO सर्टिफाइड कंपनी. was established by the government of India in 1955. Okay, the strategic objective for which the corporation was included to aid the council, to help, to counsel, to assist, finance, protect and promote the interest of small industries in India. मतलब there are many small industries in our country. To promote them, this small national small industrial corporation was established. Okay, so with enactment of micro, small and medium enterprises development, that is MSMED Act 2006, medium enterprises also came into the ambit. Okay, so NSIC जो है, that is National Small Industrial Corporation, has also included medium enterprises in its ambit for providing assistance under some of the scheme. That is, the first scheme was organizational setup. मतलब उनको सेटअप करने के लिए व्हाट आर द थिंग्स नीडेड, दे विल हैव दैट. जैसे कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सेटअप, मतलब वहाँ पे डायरेक्टर्स, मैनेजमेंट कैसा होगा. ओके, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर कौन होंगे. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेशनल स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज कॉरपोरेशन. Now the policy guidance to the corporations are provided by the board of directors, consisting of full-time chairman cum managing director, 2 functional directors, 2 government nominee director, 1 SEBI का एक आता है. ओके, 1 SEBI nominated director and 6 that is non-official part-time directors. Okay, the corporation has dedicated team of professional at all levels and operates to 123 offices located all over India. One of the office is located in Johannesburg, that is South Africa. Also it is outside India also. Second is scheme of cooperation. Okay, to enhance the competitiveness of micro, small and medium enterprises, NSIC provides integrated support service in the areas of marketing, technology, फाइनेंस एक्सेट्रा. ओके, NSIC क्या करते हैं, इज इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द स्कीम ऑफ मार्केटिंग असिस्टेंस एंड परफॉर्मेंस. ओके, दे विल ग्रांट मेनी स्कीम्स दैट विल हेल्प इन मार्केटिंग, will help in assistance, will help in performance and credit rating also. On behalf of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, the corporation is providing assistance in following field. Okay, so the 3 main field कौन से है, that is the 4 main field कौन से है, that is it will provide market assistance, it will help in credit support, it will help in support services and technological support. So let's see what is there in marketing assistance scheme. So here there will be single point registration scheme for government purchase. Okay, second one is raw material distribution, third one is consortia and tender marketing, fourth one is exhibition and technology fairs, and fifth one is buyers सेलर्स मीट. ओके, ऐसे वो लोग क्या करेंगे, दे विल ऑर्गेनाइज सम फंक्शंस. ओके, जैसे कि रॉ मटेरियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, नहीं तो मार्केटिंग, फेयर, एग्जीबिशन, नहीं तो मीट, ऐसे कुछ तो वो ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे सो दैट इट डेवलप्स दिस स्मॉल, माइक्रो एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस. सेकेंड वन इज क्रेडिट सपोर्ट टू MSMEC, दैट इज मीडियम, माइक्रो, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस जो है उनको क्रेडिट, अगर उनको लोन चाहिए देन दे what they do to meeting the credit needs of MSMEs through a tie-up arrangement with banks. Okay, financial financing for procurement of raw material and marketing activities. Okay, they will help also to give provide finance for purchasing raw material and marketing activities. Next is support service, that is performance and credit rating scheme, promoting international trade through NSIC, B2B web portal and informatively services. Okay, next is marketing intelligence cell, software technology parks. Okay, fourth one is technology support, that is training technical traders, trades and entrepreneurship, common facility service, material testing facility, then NSI training come, just a minute, NSI training come incubation centers, that is NSIC TICs for small enterprises established under public private partnership mode. Okay, जो जिनका मतलब वो they will also give training and come incubation centers where they will provide how small industries को कैसे setup करना, how under the public private partnership mode. Okay, so they will provide all the assistance. And also what they will do, they establish e-learning centers at Okala, New Delhi. Okay, Okala, New Delhi में एक center है where they will provide all the facilities with the help of internet. Okay, they will give trainings and all. Okay, so that is technological training, new advanced technology है उसके according कैसे, so all these details will be done with the help of NSI and SIC. Okay, now there are various functions of NSIC Limited, that is the head office of NSIC is situated at New Delhi with 4 regional offices at New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Okay, so there are 4 branches are where New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Okay, and 11 branch office at important cities spread over the entire country. Okay, so they provide wide range of services, mostly promotional in character, to small scale industries. Okay, so the important function of NSIC perform are grouped as under, that is it provide financial assistance by way of hire purchase scheme for purchase of machinery and equipment required for setting up of industry. Okay, that is they will give small financial assistance for hire purchase, जैसे कि बड़ी बड़ी मशीनरी है जो स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज परचेज नहीं कर सकते, तो यर NSIC क्या करते हैं, दे विल हेल्प इन हायर परचेज ऑफ दिस मशीनरी. ओके, जैसे कि इक्विपमेंट चाहिए और सेटिंग अप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. ओके, मेन मशीनरीज और इक्विपमेंट लगते हैं तो वो हायर अंडर द हायर परचेज स्कीम दे विल help to purchase this machineries for small industries. Okay, second is provide various equipment as lease basis. Lease basis मतलब it for a long period of time it is on rent. Rent कैसा रहता है, short rent रहता है, लेकिन lease एक बड़ा rent रहता है for which will give, they will give the rent on 10 years, more than 20 years, 50 years, depends. Okay, that is known as lease basis. Next is assist in marketing of product of SSIs, that is small scale industries. Okay, उनके मार्केट प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट करने के लिए भी दे विल हेल्प. इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प इन एक्सपोर्टिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रोवाइड ट्रेनिंग टू वर्कर्स ऑफ SSI इन वेरियस ट्रेड, जो डिफरेंट ट्रेड, डेट इज़ इम्पोर्ट ट्रेड, एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, वहाँ पे कैसे एक्सपोर्ट करना, वहाँ पे वर्कर्स को कैसे क्या प्रोडक्शन करना चाहते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग दे विल प्रोवाइड ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो. Next is it will help in development and upgradation of technology and modernization of industries. Okay, so जो टेक्नोलॉजी है या न्यू अपडेट्स अपग्रेडेशन आए हैं मशीनरी में, सो उनके डिटेल्स, उनका जो इंफॉर्मेशन है दे विल ट्राई टू हेल्प so that there is modernization of the industry. Next is it will help to undertake construction of industrial estate. Okay, even it will help to construct the industrial estate in many of the states and many parts of the country. then it will have to purchase huge important raw material and distribute the same to the SSI at a reasonable rate. Okay, जो raw material है, if alone SSI unit goes to purchase, then it will cost them more, so they will buy it in a huge quantity and then they will distribute to the small scale industries at a reasonable rate. Next is it will develop a prototype machine and equipment to pass on SSI for commercial production. Okay, अगर commercial production करना है तो उनको high end technology के machine चाहिए लगते हैं. So what they will do, they will try to develop a machinery and equipment that can be passed on to the small scale industries for commercial production also. Next is they will set up a small scale industries in other developing countries on turnkey basis. Okay, दूसरे countries में भी it will try to develop small scale industries. So in this way NSIC plays a prominent role for the development of entrepreneurship as well as industrialization in the country. Okay, so these are the important thing that is very important. So here there are some NSI technical service centers located in, just a minute, located in many parts of the country. Okay, so let's see, चेन्नई में एक है जहाँ पे लेदर एंड फुटवेयर जो है वो फोकस एरिया है. ओके, द नेम ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ NSIC इज वेयर इन चेन्नई विच विल फोकस ऑन लेदर एंड फुटवेयर. Next is Havra, they will focus on general engineering. Okay, the NSI unit which is there in Hyderabad, it will focus on electronics and computer applications. Then another is New Delhi, the machine tools and related activities. Then in Rajkot, energy audit and energy conservation activities will these areas will be focused. Then Rajpura, Punjab, okay, it will be domestic electrical appliances. Ramnagar, that is Uttar Kannada, it will focus on electronic and computer hardware and applications. Aligarh, that is in UP, it will focus on lock clusters and die and tool making. So there are many NSI technical service centers that will focus on only in this particular areas. So here NSI जो है it plays a very important role. Okay, as I told you, it's very important because it will promote small and upcoming entrepreneurs that was post before independent. Okay, so ये जो SSIs जो है they are registered with National Small Scale Industrial Development Corporations. Okay, and they are exempted from paying the earns money and provide facility for free participation in government tendered purchases. Okay, and there are training persons training देने के लिए there are training facilities also that will provide assistance in modernizing of small industries and several branches. Then NSI जो है it will help in organizing supply of raw materials like coal, iron, steel and other materials and even machines needed by small scale private industries by mediating with the other government companies like Coal India Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Hindustan Copper Limited and many others who produce this material to provide some at a concessional rate to the SSIs. Okay, even SSIs क्या करते हैं, it will help in mediating with the government owned banks to provide cheap finance and loans to building small private industries in India. It will also help in providing assistance by providing incubation centers. Okay, as I told you, so that there is practical knowledge which is gained to the enterprise. Okay, which will help them to set up the enterprise. So these are the few things which is very important. First thing is it is a public sector unit which was established in the year 1955. It falls under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise of India. So it was established in 1955 to promote and develop micro and small scale industries and enterprise in the country. So it was originally founded by Government of India agency. Okay, and then it was fully owned by the government corporations. Okay, so these are very important things that you should know, and the activities that are taken up by the NSI, that is small scale industries development, that is कौन से हैं यहाँ पे, they help in organizational setup, they will give schemes of corporation where they will give assistance in marketing assistance scheme, they will help in credit support, they will help in support service and technological support. ओके, तो ये चीज़ें याद रखना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट नेशनल स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन. ओके, so national industrial is also, and one more thing, it is an ISO certified company. Okay, that is established by government of India. Okay, they have their branch also in South Africa. Okay, so here they have large what you call incubation training and incubation center. Okay, with who has a large professional manpower. Okay, so these are some of the details about National Small Scale Industrial Development Corporation of India. Next, about Mudra Bank.